Imagine a blueprint, an intricate set of instructions that has been evolving for millions of years, and yet it holds the secrets to who you are, how you function, and even why you might be prone to certain diseases. This blueprint is hidden inside every cell of your body, and it's called the human genome. But here's the question: if we've decoded the human genome, what more could there possibly be to discover? Stick around to the end of this video to uncover not only how scientists cracked the genetic code, but also the groundbreaking revelations that are reshaping our understanding of life itself. You won't want to miss what we reveal about the future of personalized medicine and gene editing. So, let's dive into the extraordinary world of the human genome, the very essence of life. The blueprint of life. At its core, the human genome is a complete set of genetic instructions. Think of it as the biological manual for building and maintaining a human being. It consists of about 3 billion base pairs of DNA, strung together in a double helix inside the nucleus of almost every cell in your body. These base pairs are arranged into 23 pairs of chromosomes, with one chromosome from each pair inherited from your mother and the other from your father. Within this code lie approximately 20,000 to 25,000 genes, each responsible for producing proteins that carry out a wide range of functions, from determining your eye color to how your cells communicate with each other. Yet, despite its complexity, about 99.9% of your genome is identical to every other human being on the planet. It's that tiny 0.1% that accounts for all the differences that make each of us unique. The decoding of the genome. The human genome remained a mystery for centuries, with scientists only able to study it in fragments. That all changed in 1990, when the Human Genome Project was launched. This massive international research effort set out to map the entire human genome, a task that many thought would take far longer than the 13 years it ultimately required. In 2003, the project was declared complete, marking a major milestone in science. For the first time, we had a full map of the human genome, a resource that would allow researchers to study genetic variations, identify genes linked to diseases, and explore how genes influence everything from behavior to susceptibility to cancer. Why decoding the genome matters. So, why was this such a big deal? The decoding of the genome has opened the door to personalized medicine, a revolutionary approach to healthcare that tailors medical treatments to an individual's genetic profile. For example, we now have the ability to predict how certain individuals will respond to specific medications based on their genetic makeup, reducing the risk of adverse reactions and improving the efficacy of treatments. One of the most exciting applications is in cancer treatment. Scientists can analyze the genetic mutations within a tumor and develop personalized therapies that target those specific mutations. This approach, known as precision oncology, is giving patients new hope and improving survival rates for many types of cancer. But it's not just about treating diseases. Understanding the genome is also helping us prevent them. By identifying genetic markers for conditions such as heart disease, Alzheimer's, and diabetes, doctors can now recommend lifestyle changes and preventive measures for individuals at higher risk long before symptoms appear. The genome and human evolution. Decoding the human genome hasn't just advanced medicine, it's also reshaped our understanding of human evolution. By comparing our DNA with that of other species, scientists have been able to trace the origins of humans, uncovering fascinating insights into how we evolved from our primate ancestors. For instance, we now know that modern humans share about 98% of their genome with chimpanzees, our closest living relatives. The small genetic differences between us and chimps have provided researchers with crucial information about what makes us uniquely human: our larger brains, our capacity for language, and our complex social structures. Genetic research has also revealed traces of ancient human species like Neanderthals and Denisovans in our DNA. This suggests that early humans interbred with these species as they migrated across the globe, leaving behind genetic footprints that persist in modern populations. In fact, if you have European or Asian ancestry, it's likely that a small percentage of your genome comes from these ancient hominins. CRISPR and gene editing. Now, with the discovery of CRISPR, a powerful tool that allows scientists to edit genes with unprecedented precision, we're on the verge of a new era in genetic research. CRISPR works like molecular scissors, cutting DNA at specific points so that genes can be added, removed, or altered. This technology has the potential to cure genetic disorders by correcting mutations at the source. Diseases like cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, and even some forms of blindness are now being targeted for CRISPR-based treatments. The possibilities are staggering. But CRISPR has also sparked ethical debates. What happens if we start using gene editing to enhance human traits like intelligence or physical strength? Could this lead to a future where some individuals or even entire populations are genetically superior to others? These are complex questions that scientists and ethicists are grappling with as we navigate the possibilities and potential dangers of gene editing. What we still don't know. Despite the incredible advances we've made since the genome was first decoded, there's still so much we don't know. For one thing, the function of much of our DNA remains a mystery. Only about 1–2% of the genome is made up of genes that code for proteins. The rest, once dismissed as junk DNA, is now thought to play a crucial role in regulating gene expression, but we're only beginning to understand how. Furthermore, many complex traits like intelligence, personality, and even mental health conditions are influenced by multiple genes interacting with each other and with the environment. Deciphering these interactions is one of the biggest challenges facing genetic researchers today. The future of genomics, as our understanding of the human genome deepens, we're entering an exciting new phase of genomics. Researchers are developing even more sophisticated tools for studying DNA, and new discoveries are being made at an astonishing pace. The future of medicine may lie not in treating diseases after they arise, but in preventing them by analyzing a person's genome from birth or even before they're born. Imagine a world where doctors can predict, prevent, and precisely treat illnesses based on your unique genetic code. It's a future that's no longer confined to the realm of science fiction. But as we move forward, we must also consider the ethical implications, ensuring that these powerful technologies are used responsibly and equitably. Conclusion? So, where does this leave us? The human genome, once a mystery, is now a roadmap guiding us toward new medical breakthroughs and a deeper understanding of what it means to be human. We've learned that our DNA is not destiny, it's a complex, dynamic code that interacts with the environment and influences everything from our health to our evolution. And as we continue to decode this genetic blueprint, the possibilities for scientific discovery and medical advancement are virtually limitless. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the human genome. If you found this exploration fascinating, don't forget to subscribe to Sci Discovery Chronicles for more deep dives into the mysteries of science. And remember, the story of your DNA is far from over, it's just beginning.